NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question 1. The distance of the point P 2, 3 from the x-axis is option A 2, option B 3, option C 1 or option D 5. Answer. We are given a point P 2, 3. We need to find the distance of this point P from x-axis. Now let us see what this point P of 2, 3 means. In this point, 2 is the x-coordinate and 3 is the y-coordinate. On the graph, horizontal is the x-axis and vertical line is the y-axis. Let us mark some points on x-axis and y-axis. X-coordinate is 2 and y-coordinate is 3. Therefore, the point P 2, 3 lies on the graph here. X-coordinate 2 and y-coordinate 3. Now we need to find the distance of this point from x-axis. And what is this distance? This is the y-coordinate of the point P. Therefore, distance of the point P of 2, 3 from x-axis is equal to y-coordinate of point P, which is equal to 3. From the given options, option B 3 is the right answer. Therefore, the distance of the point P 2, 3 from x-axis is option B 3.